Hello friends, today we will do the second chapter from Vistar's book The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. This story, The Enemy, is about the Second World War, wherein Americans and Japanese were enemies. Dr. Sadao Hockey belonged to Japan. His father was very disciplined man, very strict. He spoke very less, but he had a vision for his own son. He sent his son to America to be a surgeon, to study, to get training as a surgeon to America. When Dr. Sadao Hockey went to America, in professor's house he meets a girl, Hana. He liked Hana, but he did not know where she belongs to. Later he comes to know that she belongs to Japan, because he knew his father would not allow him to get settled with an American girl. Therefore, he did not reveal his mind to Hana. After being trained as a surgeon, he came back to Japan and got settled with Hana, and they were settled near the Japanese coast. Their house was facing towards the coast. One day it happened, Hana and Dr. Sadao went for a walk early in the morning. It was during winter season. It was very foggy. They couldn't identify anything. They saw something that was coming with the waves, something black they couldn't identify. They went closer to that object and they noticed it was an American escaped soldier. They could understand because of the cap. There was a symbol of America. As a good patriot, Dr. Sadao thought what to do with this man because he loved his own nation. He was in a dilemma. He did not know what to do. His wife told him that we will throw him back in the water. Dr. Sadao also thought that he would hand him over to Japanese troops. But at the same time, since he was a doctor by profession, he thought to save the life of an American man. He takes him to his own house because this man was full of blood. He had a bullet in his body and the blood was oozing out. Dr. Sadao told Hana to make water warm so that they give him first aid to clean his wound, because Dr. Sadao was professionally a surgeon who studied about the wounds, and therefore General Takema did not send him along with the Japanese troops, because General was very selfish. He wanted to get operated and he wanted only Dr. Sadao to operate on him, because he was a good surgeon plus he was a scientist. During that time he was learning how the wounds can get cured very easily. So Hana says that you will not clean. We are having many servants in our house, and she tells Yuri, a servant, to make water hot and clean him, but she refuses because she says that you are entertaining our enemy, Americans. So I will not do anything to the Americans, to our enemies, because he is a white man. When she went away without paying attention or helping them out, so Hannah and Dr. Sadao gives the first aid to American man, cleans their wound and removes the bullet from his body and puts medicine. After several days, he gives him proper treatment, proper attention, care and love. Dr. Sadao informs General that there is an American soldier in our house because he knew there would be some problem. These servants may go outside and tell someone, and there would be a problem to him and to his family. Therefore, he tells to General Takema. General Takema was a very selfish man as usual, so he keeps quiet, keeps hiding, and he says, "Don't worry, I will send assassins to your house. The door which is facing near the garden you keep open, nobody will understand." After 2-3 days he waits on, but he doesn't send anyone. And later, Dr. Sadao makes him alright. After several days he gets alright, and he doesn't want to ruin his life. He sends him quietly. He makes arrangement of a boat which goes to Korea and from South Korea to America. So he arranges a boat, he puts in all the clothes which were necessary for him to American guy and some food stuff, and he gives him a torch. And he tells him, if you come across any problem, you give me a signal through a torch if you are safe. And he puts him in the boat and he sends him across. Now here, Dr. Sadao was a good patriot. He could say he loved his own nation, Japan, yet being a doctor, he saves the life of another person. This is the story that is narrated in this lesson, The Enemy. Even though the servants, all of them, go away because they don't want to help, in spite of that, doctor himself and his wife saves this man, and he goes safely to an island, and from there he would go to his place, America. I hope you understood the summary of this lesson. That's what in this lesson I'll give you 1 or 2 questions which may help you for your exam. In what condition did Dr. Sadao find the American soldier at the seashore? The American soldier, white man, was full of blood. Blood was soaking from his body. And he saw him wounded. He had a hurt on his back. He was motionless. He was not doing anything. He was still. And the blood flowed freshly at his touch. In order to stanch the fearful bleeding, he packed the wound with the sea moss. That's how he found him there without any movement. Who did Dr. Sadao think the survivor from the sea was when he first saw him? Dr. Sadao thought that he was some fisherman who had strayed away from his boat and was wounded. First thing, Dr. Sadao thought that he never expected an American soldier. He thought maybe a boatman, a fisherman who is wounded. And he stayed away from his boat and he was wounded. But when he saw the cap, he was mistaken. When he saw the cap, on the cap there was a name or a symbol was written, or flag that was shown there on the cap was of America. That's what he could find out. I hope all the best for you. I hope you will do well in your studies. Thank you.